In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate a ChatGPT account, and just as importantly, help you understand the difference between a deleted account and a deactivated account. This is really important because the steps are not the same, and in some cases, reactivation may not even be possible. So if you've been locked out, removed your account, or received a deactivation notice, this guide will walk you through the correct path step by step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more clear software guides just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, you need to understand which situation applies to your account. There are two main scenarios here. The first is if you deleted your ChatGPT account yourself. The second is if OpenAI deactivated or disabled your account. These are very different, so let's break them down one by one. If you manually deleted your account, then the most important thing to know is that it cannot be reactivated. Once an account is deleted, the data and chat history are permanently removed from OpenAI's servers. That means the account itself is gone, and there is no restore button or undo option for a deleted account. However, there is still one thing you may be able to do. After a 30-day waiting period from the date of deletion, you can create a new account using the same email address. So if you deleted your account recently, you'll need to wait until those 30 days have passed before signing up again. To do that, open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once the site loads, click Sign Up and enter the email address that was previously tied to your deleted account. If the 30 days have passed, you should be able to register a new ChatGPT account with that email. Just keep in mind that this is a fresh account, not a restored one, so your old chat history will not return. Now let's talk about the second scenario, which is if OpenAI deactivated your account. In some cases, a disabled account may be recoverable, especially if you believe the deactivation happened by mistake. In that situation, your best option is to submit an appeal to OpenAI. To do this, open the OpenAI appeal form in your browser. Once the form loads, click into the email field and type the email address associated with your ChatGPT account. Make sure you enter the correct email because this is how OpenAI will identify your account. Next, click the subject dropdown and choose the option that best fits your issue. After that, go to the description box and clearly explain why you believe the deactivation was an error. Be polite, be specific, and keep your message clear. If you have any helpful details that support your case, include those as well. Once everything is filled out, click Submit to send your appeal. After that, you'll need to wait for OpenAI to review your request. Depending on the situation, they may restore your account, request more information, or explain why the deactivation will remain in place. So if you're trying to reactivate a disabled account, the appeal process is the key step. To summarize quickly, if you deleted your ChatGPT account, it cannot be reactivated, but you may be able to sign up again after 30 days using the same email. If OpenAI disabled your account, use the appeal form and request a review. That's the clearest way to move forward based on your situation. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if you want more step-by-step guides like this, I'll see you in the next video.